wanted without you. My tired heart is beating so slow. Our hearts sing this that we wanted. Our hearts sing 'cause we do not know. We do not know. To light the night, to help us grow, to help us grow. It is not said, I always know. You can catch me, don't you run, don't you run. If you live another day in this happy little house, the fire's here to stay, to light the night, to help us grow, to help us grow. It is not said, I always know. Please don't make a fuss, it won't go away. The wonder of it all, the wonder that remain. I am here to stay. I am here to stay. Stay.
I'm so tired of being here, suppressed by all my childish fears. And if you have to leave, I wish that you would just leave, 'cause your presence still lingers here, and it won't leave me alone. These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears. When you scream, I'd fight away all of your fears. And I held your hand through all of these years, but you still have all of me. You used to captivate me by your resonating light. Now I'm bound by the life you left behind. Your face, it haunts my once pleasant dreams. Your voice, it chased away all the sanity in me. These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cried,
Lali, minha baixinha branquela, os parabéns, tudo de bom pra você. Você é muito especial pra mim, muito importante. Mesmo a gente tendo se afastado um pouco, você continua sendo minha amiga, eu espero. E, bom, amo você, amo vocês todos que estão aí. Mandar um salve também pra todos os emos aí presentes, né? Ed, Perna, pá. E que vocês todos aí curtam bastante a festa e aproveitem por mim. E, tô indo, né? Vou arrumar aqui as coisas, vou pra Flórida hoje. Amanhã eu vou pra Disney. Mas não esqueci de nenhum de vocês aí, porque aí é minha saída. E até mais.